Alright, welcome to episode 2 of Mr. Mundahl's World. So, you want to make sure you have your PPEs on, goggles, gloves, and your lab coat so you protect yourself. So we're going to go over cleanup for our lab today. So, once you have disposed of your material in the green bucket down below, you're going to take your supplies through a couple areas. So first, you're going to rinse it through the bleach water. Then you're going to rinse it through the regular water. Make sure you get off all the junk. Clean off these. These sticky parts come off, so please make sure you get all the bits and pieces away. So, and the tools, don't leave them sitting in here. You need to grab them, rinse them off. Everything gets bleached and everything gets rinsed. That way we keep it clean and safe for the next class. Once you finish, you're going to flip it over to dry. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through cleanup. So, step 1, we have our materials, we have our pad. Any waste, so chicken leg, heart, whatever it is going to go in this green bin. Everything goes in the green bin, so all the pieces, all the chunks. That way we can dispose of it properly. Then you're going to take your dirty tray. You're going to rinse it in the bleach water. So, bleach water, that's where we rinse it. You're not going to leave it in here. So the first step is get off any parts in this bleach water, and that's going to disinfect it for us. Then you're going to take all your tools. So we need to rinse off that bleach. We're going to take it through the regular water. So regular water or rinse water is right here. So this one has bleach. Look at that, totally awesome bleach. That we don't want on our skin, so we have to have our PPEs, our gloves, to keep our hands safe and our clothes safe. Then we drop it in the rinse water, so we rinse everything. We can take off the pads. So drain it, drain it, drain it. And then we need to put it over here to dry. So on the other side, we have our dry table. So you're going to flip it so everything empties out. All the tools, you're just going to lay out so they dry. Open up your scissors because it'll get rust along the inside if we don't. And that helps them dry a little faster. And then the trays, you'll just kind of give them a wipe. You can take out these rubber parts and flip it. So flip it to drain and then lay everything out like this. That way it'll be ready for the next class. Once you finish cleaning your tray, you're going to go over and you're going to get bleach rags. So these also have our bleach with the rags. This is going to disinfect the tables. So we'll take it, we'll wring it out, and then we can use it to wipe down tables and disinfect them. So once your table has been wiped down, our last step is you're going to get the dry rags. So dry rags are here at the end of the table, and we use these to dry. So once your table is dry, everything's cleaned up, you can move on to the next part. Make sure you keep your PPEs on. He's watching you. Step 1, put Biowaste in here. Step 2, rinse everything in bleach water. Step 3, rinse everything in regular water. Step 4, put things out to dry. Step 5, wipe down with bleach rags. Step 6, dry off your tables. Step 7, don't do this. The final step, and most important, we gotta wash those hands. So first, you're gonna put water, then add soap. Get all those cracks. Rinse and dry. And you're done.